Dr. Odonga wajoni Uganda Parliament umirano kubet kikara achel ki MP na chirachel kunen wajoni kara machara nyankule tiema dominating parliament chirro nyim kun wayni kar magienno ti parliament uno members of parliament bedung chal kuman imirne member parliament mai karni uno mir katwere ben gi dissolving on pian konye tiga dupe en penyo dano ni pingo kiting population census kachi dano overstating population census gyo udonga ye poberio ker kachiel lok me beru ki MPs madunga ta Uganda ni udonga kono pe en kene ye wang kar mo gamento beru ki attempt nyoni move ket malew gid waju ke mi tem dwako wel members of parliament proposal look at mwara aliva rio ki piere wede ento furcherling ni juej.
So these issues have to be corrected by the population census. We are not going to be bullied. You will not bully us. You will not bully us unless we are not Ugandans. So you are more in the house, you are more everywhere, and you think we don't know. So the parliament is not national. It is serving a particular interest. So the population and housing census is the key to resolving all these issues. Otherwise, as Honorable Otto, I would even say this parliament of 557 MPs should be dissolved. Probably we need one MP per tribe, not per district, because they created also so many districts of their own. So many. They turned parishes into districts. Western Uganda has 39 districts, a small area like this. Eastern Uganda, a huge area, 40 districts. Northern Uganda, a huge area, bigger than Belgium, 41 districts. Central Uganda, 21 districts. So we cannot even use districts as a basis of determining the members of parliament. So the safest thing for now, in a transitional manner, is to have one MP per tribe. And there are 65 tribes listed in the constitution. So maybe one male MP and one female MP. In that way, we will have 130 members of parliament. So the issue of number, we should not rely on numbers to determine the members of parliament. If we make that mistake, we will be committing a foul. If we allow Uganda Bureau of Statistics to do what they are planning to do, we will even be committing a greater foul. So for now, the safest thing in transitional period is to use one MP per tribe, so that we are all equal in that house. And then we can, now that house can decide on how we are going to count ourselves. Otherwise, I'm crying foul. Honorable Dr. Odonga is crying foul. Something is not right. We are being treated as if we are not Ugandans. And these issues have to be attended to. So that parliament there of 557 MPs is a fake parliament. The composition is compromised. And strangely, it is not universal adult suffrage. Because if you are lame, you happen to be a lady, you happen to be a soldier, one person alone, you will have 5 representatives in the house. You will have the youth MP, you will have MPs for disability, you will have MPs for workers, you have MPs for army, and then you have the woman MP, and then you have a constituency MP. There are some people who have 6 members of parliament in the house. And there are others who have only 2. So all this is not right in relation to represent.
Kitung chel, Odonga Makono and the president, MRPP, Dr. N. Lowy, Odonga and company advocates, Moberu, law practicing company, Karo Kamaling, Ki Warga Makaluni intention to sue both districts, Merchuri. Ma penok kun entika wachani joano tie kaballo kabir murungwa by not implementing ginma Ministry of Environment karo ke me joku tongo maka makilanya kun kitim kilorio en wajani joano enini dong gitika lanyo environment pa chuli ikachwinyi okwan warga ni wanen kin ma en tie ka wacho warga ni chak ne dia sa strong madam chair reason tie notice for intention to sue ki dokke le bachule le bachule ni wani wacho warga man me kawang ribe pipajo wara pipi ke chuli my district me gulu kitgum pade la mo agago noya amoro kia chuli matie yolaya kitman anwa districts ma egeno chokan tigulu kitgum pade la mo agago noya amoro kumoro nyuti do choyo kia chuli Weng. Now, Yolaya, Kidman, Namachil, in the end, we appear when me do me Rio, a Mali Rio, appear with that. Commander me Uganda, my work keyboard minister, my lawyer, Locom, P. Kikama, Room 1, Honorable Team Beatrice, Ukaro kill la gang, Ikom Lock. Me wang maka ilo wachuli na mario dul pagamento me kilwoni National Environmental Management Authority nyone nema beno karo ki ngej bot luak du yume Uganda ni no duwe apar boro ni duwe me ngwen ma wali wario ko pere wede kun wayo ni petie ngat mo mamiero ngol yak abon nung kartaj makiluo ni environmental social impact assessment nyuni ESIA warga man tiar nim kun wayne kari kono bedni jok pagamenta tie check inma chalo won kom LCHL ki executive upe kalobo check magamenta kero mejoku wang maka dok jami magitie katime na machel ngolu yen me maka na mario tongu yeri mete kwaro machalo ya achuga alin kwalo pomo to chwa leo bano uduku upobo polo uyelo uput ulemo kituba uduru luchoro ki kuoro yerima gwao ngijo ngom machalo kituba kuoro ki duku yen te kwaro me yek machalo yago yen mamiyo cham pidigi chalo kuro kuryang yen ma gwao kich chalo upok kimae agike ne yen me bao chalo tido nawade ketu ching chalo taden ipang ngom bodjo ma wow maka no gibuolo dano ni gi miro pu warga paloy man don kelo ngej bot wuni utie kator chek me environment number pa piade kuya abungen me pen chek me Uganda 1995 upere nawario wayni upere kalubo la gang ma minister me environment pagamente me Uganda nawade utie kator chek makiluni the Climate Change Act maali wario kipiari wechel warga mandong miyo yet wun ngej mechwalo wun kot wek kot pew magi in LC1 miero itim jami magi na wachel iluong ka choke pa executive committee members wek umi ngej man bodgi na wario ujok toro chek pa minister kinema RPP obi woro ikinpin ka Mako chel malube ki lok me environment kape utimo gin ma kartaj man waju ma niel bi parangwen pe ya ukaro nie chak ki tin wa bi chwal Weng ikot malube ki chik na ma piare we bichiel National Climate Change Act 2021 ma wajo ni ngat mo ke ken rom penyu ai kot me mi ngol ikom dano mo ke ken onyo dul pa dano ma otimu gin maraj onyo pe timu gin ma miero otim kun tor twero palwa malube ki gwako bua ma urunwa RPP bichwalo in ma chalo LC1 ki executive ikot dago bi ruenyu chiente medit nyo bi penyu pibtwe mi buj ikomi telok man chalo gien ma pier tek pien ngedong pe ki bi noy bori Odonga to and company advocate Mrs. Odonga to and company advocate lawyer para RPPP Odonga to and company advocate is located plot 1749 Bistro Close Muyenga PO Box 22995 Kampala Kimati on the ground and no Odonga between LC1 kachi gen polo yen ma Odonga wajani kit ma warga antikede foil
assist. The trucks are here, and all these issues have to be resolved.
So give me the license. Let me see your license. So I can't even kneel down. What license yo? Let me see. I never got the license. I never got the license. Yeah, quite good. I think balance. I think where is the license?